Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, family, friends, and loved ones. Tonight, we gather not just to celebrate a birthday, but to celebrate 50 beautiful years of love, laughter, and memories to cherish forever. So sit back, enjoy, and celebrate this golden milestone as we honor Mario's beautiful life journey. Happy 50th birthday, Mario! This is your story and your celebration. Just a small token of love from the VR family group and friends forever.
Every journey begins with a small step, and this is the story of a little boy who was born on 9th May 1976 in Mumbai. Mario Clement Rodrigues, the youngest and the most loved son of John and Catherine Rodrigues. The family was first blessed with their elder son Chris and daughter Sharon, and then comes Mario, the youngest, the mischievous one, and Sabka Ladla. This is not just a story, but the journey of 50 years since he was born. बचपन से ही शरारत का एनुअल पैकेज, मॉम का प्यारा कालू, डैडी के साथ हर संडे चर्च जाना, वड़ा पाव खाना और लस्सी पीना।
याद है ना मारियो?
सालों पहले मॉम की गोद में सोए मारियो को देखकर एक बाबा ने कहा था, ये बालक बहुत तरक्की करेगा, और आज मारियो ने ये बात सच कर दिखाई। Mario studied in St. Pius School, Mulund, Mumbai till grade 5. As his elder brother, Chris completed his education, Daddy wanted him to start his own business, so he decided to move the family to Goa. He too resigned his job and stood with his family. He started his schooling from grade 6, St. Mary's Goa. नई जगह, नए स्ट्रगल्स, लेकिन एक नई शुरुआत थी। यहीं से मारियो की लाइफ का गोवा का चैप्टर शुरू हुआ। Since childhood, he was a dog lover. His first pet dog was Thunder. At the age of 12, he started riding his first bike, Zundap. First car he bought, Maruti 800. दोस्तों के साथ लिया हुआ पहला कश। मका सुट्टो किती छुपायता, माका बाबा माका सब पता असलं, बोले तो फुल हाइड एंड सीक गेम रे बाबा। क्विंटन, लॉरी, अरमांडो के साथ कनास बार की महफिल होती थी, हंसी, बातें और रात भर का साथ। बंद बार खुलवा के आए माइजोनेचा, चले का लास्ट राउंड पिला रे। अब चलते हैं फादर एग्नल कॉलेज। ये बात है 1992 की। कॉलेज इज ऑल अबाउट थोड़ी मस्ती, थोड़ी पढ़ाई, थोड़ी लड़ाई और दोस्तों के पैसों के साथ कैंटीन का वड़ा पाव। लेकिन कभी कभी लाइफ अपनी स्क्रिप्ट खुद लिखती है। तो कुछ ऐसा हुआ कि जैसे ही कॉलेज लाइफ शुरू हुई, बुक्स की जगह हाथ में वेल्डिंग मशीन उठानी पड़ी। चलानी आए या ना आए, पर क्यों? क्योंकि फैमिली को सपोर्ट जो करना था। मस्ती रुक सकती है बट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी नहीं। इसी के बीच लाइफ चलती रही। कुछ वक्त ऐसा भी आया, कभी ट्रक चलाया, कभी बस चलाया, भजिया खा के दिन बिताया। जो कमाया माँ को थमाया। स्लीपलेस नाइट्स, एंडलेस एफर्ट्स बट नो कंप्लेन्स। Life changed the script again. Sold his truck, which he bought from his hard-earned money, and started working in a restaurant at Vasco as a manager in the year 2004 under Mr. Edwin. His first international trip was to Kuwait, but life had different plans for him. He tried for a cruise job, but unfortunately, this didn't work. Finally, a new chapter of life began. With dreams in his eyes and hope in his heart, Mario received his visa for Dubai and landed in the UAE on 3rd February 2005. The opportunity became possible because of a kind-hearted well-wisher, Mr. Edwin, whose support opened the doors to a brighter future. His elder brother Chris was already settled in Dubai, and the two brothers stayed together for the first few years, supporting each other through every challenge and struggle. Mario initially started working as a carpenter, but deep inside, he knew he was meant for something bigger, wanting to grow and build a better future. He decided to change his career path. With the help and reference of his brother, he got an opportunity at Arabian Apex as a welder. And from there, slowly but surely, a new journey of hard work, sacrifice and success truly began. वो कहते हैं ना, कभी ये भाई के काम आया, कभी भाई इसके काम आया. From struggles together to success together. Sometimes, life changes in a single moment. For Mario, that moment came when a client from Arabian Apex, Mr. Eli, saw that what others had overlooked. He offered him a better position in his firm, Dynamic Motion, a new opportunity that would shape his future. He accepted it with gratitude. Years passed. He stayed. He worked. He rose. Nearly 2 decades later, Mario still stands loyal, committed and unwavering. In a world that constantly changes, he remained constant. चलो आइए देखते हैं मारियो की लव स्टोरी. फैमिली फ्रेंड्स थे, बट वाइब्स फुल टॉम एंड जेरी वाले. कहते हैं ना, ऑपोजिट अट्रैक्ट्स, और यहाँ तो ये बात बिल्कुल प्रूव हो गई. नेज़ला पढ़ाई में बिजी और मारियो की फ्री की कमेंट्री रेडी. ए नेज़ला, लीव द स्कूल रे, गो फीड द काउस. हर दिन एक नया एपिसोड, हर मुलाकात एक नई फाइट. इन्हीं पलों से दिल में घंटी बजती गई. नेज़ला को कोई आंख उठा के देखे तो मारियो फिल्मी स्टाइल में हीरो बन के एंट्री करता. मारियो को सुकून पसंद था तो नेज़ला को हैंड इन हैंड लॉन्ग वॉक्स. मारियो को घूमना अच्छा लगता था तो नेज़ला को एक रोमांटिक कैंडल लाइट डिनर. मारियो सिंपल लाइफ वाला बंदा और नेज़ला फुल प्लानिंग और परफेक्शन वाली. मारियो का फेवरेट लाइन, देख लेंगे, और नेज़ला का, अब भी डिसाइड करो. लड़ते हंसते एक दूसरे की आदत बन गए और फाइनली अपने गोवन भाव ने नेज़ला का दिल जीत ही लिया. दे टाइड देयर नॉट ऑन 27th December 2006. और यहीं से शुरू हुई उनकी खट्टी मीठी जिंदगी की ब्यूटीफुल जर्नी. परफेक्ट पार्टनर्स truly made for each other.
Habibi, come to Dubai.
Moga Chibai, Nezla darling, finally landed in UAE on 4th April 2007. And just like that, a new chapter of life kept adding one after the another. But sometimes, when the life feels perfect, after a long busy day, in the evening, a phone call rang. A heartbreaking news shattered the entire family. Their beloved daddy had passed away. Chris and Mario immediately booked the next flight to India, hoping for a miracle, a wish that maybe they could see their dad alive just once again. While hiding their tears, both brothers stood beside mom like a rock, holding the family together during the darkest chapter of their lives.
पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त.
As time flew, Jesus blessed them with a baby boy, Mark, on 25th October 2008. Life kept upgrading from sharing apartments to studio, then a 1 BHK, slowly to a 2 BHK. Each step is a small win. Then came a little angel, Leah, on 14 Jan 2014, bringing even more love, joy and meaning to their lives. Owing to few family reasons, Nezla and children were moved to Bangalore for a year. There, they welcomed their new member in the family, their family pet dog named Bruce. During COVID, Mario was in Dubai and family in Bangalore. The distance made him miss them deeply. So he decided to bring them back to Dubai and live a happy life together again. Guess what? Not only Nezla and kids. Bruce also traveled all the way from Bangalore to Dubai. Soon after, they added another furry friend, Casper, to keep Bruce happy and engaged. अब आई दुबई के फ्रेंड्स की बारी. 24 December 2021. The night we all pretended to be sophisticated expats at a Christmas party. हम nice to meet you बोलने गए थे, पर 2 घंटे बाद तू मेरा भाई है बोलकर घर लौटे. It wasn't just a memory, it was a warning sign. अब वीकेंड्स का सीन सिंपल है. पहले फॉर्मल इनवाइट आता था, अब सीधा आवाज आती है, चल पैक बना. जिंदगी चलती रही. Hard work didn't stop, but started paying off. He finally stood in front of his dream house. Not just walls and windows, but a place built with every effort and hope he never gave up on. It was emotion, victory, and finally saying, you made it. And now, shout out to some important people in Mario's life. Begin with Neil and Joey, cousins who are together since childhood in Goa to growing old in Dubai. Thank you for always being there. The next chapter is about neighborhood tales. From simple hellos to sharing foods and long walks which turn neighbors into friends. Thank you, Umesh and Pallavi, our first neighbors. Then comes the Goan neighbors entry. Suddenly the whole vibe changed. Same language, same jokes, brother from another mother. Elvis and sister-like friend Alvira. It felt like Goa away from Goa. And last, love from We Are Family Group. We wish you more and more success and good health. And may all your dreams come true, like buying your favorite Rolex watch or the next house in probably Burj Khalifa.
सिंपल रहने वाला बंदा ऑलवेज बिजी इन काम धंधा. कान में एयरपॉड्स रहते दुनिया से थोड़ा अलग बंदा. सुबह से शाम हसल फैमिली उसकी प्राइड. दिल से फुल गोन बॉय दुबई में फुल वाइब. फिशिंग रॉड और यारी उसकी परफेक्ट लाइफ. डांस फ्लोर पे आते ही पार्टी गोज लाइव.
ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों. एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों. एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों. ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों. ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों. बनता है मेरा काम तुम्हारे ही काम से. बनता है मेरा काम तुम्हारे ही काम से. होता है मेरा नाम तुम्हारे ही नाम से. होता है मेरा नाम तुम्हारे ही नाम से. तुम जैसे बेवड़ों का सहारा है दोस्तों. तुम जैसे बेवड़ों का सहारा है दोस्तों. ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों. ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों.